In today's hyper-connected world, mobile devices wield a significant psychological power over human relationships. They're a double-edged sword, offering both benefits and drawbacks. On one side, mobile devices boost communication. We can reach out to loved ones anytime, anywhere, creating a sense of connection and support. They also enhance coordination, making it easier to synchronize plans with others, fostering stronger bonds. Yet, there's a flip side. Overuse can lead to distraction and disconnection, adversely affecting our relationships. Miscommunication is another risk, as texts and social media posts can be misinterpreted, causing strain. Moreover, over-reliance on technology can create a dependency, weakening our ability to form meaningful face-to-face relationships. In conclusion, mobile devices have a profound impact on our relationships. By balancing virtual and in-person interactions, we can navigate the influence of technology